ladies and gentlemen, this is James Roberts and today I am back for another tech video. Remember my previous video when I done a user account creation called John? Now I'm going to show you how to restrict that account if you're running a business just for family or you just want to learn how to do it yourself for a future job. I am going to show you. Notice, you will need Windows 10 Pro or above. Unfortunately, Windows 10 Home does not have this feature. This is only for Windows 10 Pro, educational and servers. Sorry Windows 10 Home users, but this is out of the question for you. I do feel sorry for the Windows 10 Home users here. So the first thing you want to do is press the Windows key and R together. This will open up a run command. Now, when you open up the run command, you want to press MMC. Follow me. MMC. When you click enter, it will say Microsoft Management Console. When that screen pops up, you click yes. Yep. So I'm just going black for a sec. Now, this is the Microsoft Management Console. Remember the user John we done in the previous episode? Well, you're gonna add John to the restriction list. To do this, you go File, Add/Remove Snapping, and you will look for Group Policy Object. You click Add. When it says local computer, you want to click Browse this PC user. You click John. What you're basically doing, you're applying the restrictions to John only, not your user, only to John. So this settings will not affect you, only the person whoever's on the John account. You want to click OK. You want to click Finish. Click OK. Now, when you get to the local computer /John policy, you want to open up the tab, you use a configuration, administrative templates, and what I'm going to show you is some simple tasks what you can do to block access to certain parts of Windows. I'm not going to get into detail yet. I might do that in another video. So let's continue. You want to click on the control panel tab. You want to forbid access to control panel. Right, you click enable. What you're basically doing is you're stopping John from accessing the control panel or give him an error saying he's unable to access it. So if you want to, say for example, you try to bypass it with command prop, which is CMD as an example, what we'll do, we can disable this as well. To disable this, you go to your control panel, no, my mistake, system. You want to prevent access to run, you click enabled. And if you try this through a registry editor, I know kids won't do it, but if someone tries to modify your policy in the workplace, you can also prevent them from using the registry editor, which you want to click enabled. Yep. So now, this is the important step. After you've applied the settings, you have to save. If you do not save this, then the settings will not apply to that user called John. So once you're good and you've done all your settings, you want to click File, Save As. You want to save it to your desktop or wherever your personal files are. Just as an example, I'm going to save it to the desktop. File name, I'm going to call it John. So you click Save. Now, once you've saved, you can exit out. If you delete this folder, all the restrictions that were put on John will be gone. that person then will have full access again. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in on the John user and show you what the account looks like with the restrictions enabled. So I'll be back on the John account. Hello everyone, I am on John's account with the restrictions that I've applied. Now I'm going to show you some of the restrictions I've applied to the account. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to go to is settings. Doesn't open because it's been blocked. Try to type in control panel for one. Be cancelled due to restrictions in effect. Please contact your system administrator. Try to run CMD. It's been blocked by the administrator. And if you try to run regedit, it's being disabled by the administrator too. Now these are some of the restrictions you can apply, but if you want to unblock the Windows settings tab and hide the features, I could do that in another video if you want to ease some of the restrictions and not be so strict. Okay, now I've shown you the restrictions, I'm going to go ahead back on to my other account. Okay ladies and gentlemen, I am back from that John account. Now, what you saw there was only some of the stuff. I know what I've only repeated, but at least you've got a rough idea of what you can do to a user account. Microsoft Management Console has so much potential. You can do a lot of restrictions with it if you want to be strict on a company as a domain, or you want to learn to become an IT technician when you're older, or you just want to do it for fun as a hobby, just to punish someone as a joke. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of this video. Please hit that like button and also subscribe. Also drop a comment section in the comment section below, and also please hit that notification bell to stay tuned to my next videos. I will have another tech video planned soon, and it should be up within the next couple of days or next week latest. Ladies and gentlemen, this is James Roberts signing off. Goodbye everyone, enjoy your time.